Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the truncate statement. Truncate statement is used to delete entire data from the table, but table will be remain same. Okay, table will be available in your database, but data will be deleted. Truncate is a DDL command. DDL command means data definition language, and it is a faster than delete. Okay, so whenever you will apply the delete statement like this, delete from employee, and same thing you can delete through the truncate statement. This truncate statement will delete the data fastly if I compare from delete statement. Okay, so now I'm just writing truncate statement to delete all the data. So here I need to delete the data from employee table. So you will have to write here truncate, then you have to mention the table, then mention the exact table name. So here I'm just writing employee. So this is the syntax of the truncate statement. Here you need to decide which table's data you want to delete. I want to delete from employee table. Run it. Now data is deleted. If you don't have any data, you will get blank. You can see here I'm just trying to check the data. So see here you don't have any data employee table. Okay, so that's all for truncate statement. Thank you so much.